Look at this thing. I'm kind of proud of it. Let's face it, sloppy joes are kind of associated with poor white trash or bachelor eating. There's no reason to fall back on manwich. Stop and think about it. It's chauvinistic. It's toxic masculinity. If I ever see any woman eating a sloppy joe, I'll put a ring on that finger. It's time to get sloppy. You can class them up a little bit by adding additional spices. Another good thing about sloppy joes, they freeze well. So if you ever want to get good and sloppy, but are pressed for time or just being your standard run-of-the-mill lazy ass, voila, dinner is served. Ding, ding, ding! For Christ's sake, it's ketchup, not ketchup. Stop it. The cheese is in the sloppy joe meat. This streamlines the sloppy joe for maximum cheese satisfaction. This sloppy joe is slightly sweet and a little hot. There is absolutely no reason to put this sloppy joe on a broke-ass welfare bun. I'm putting this sloppy joe on a delicious toasted cheese loaf. Look at this thing. I'm kind of proud of it. And no one ever says that about sloppy joe, ever. Add cowboy candy to enhance the heat.